We ask questions because we don't know the answers. Still, you can get a head start with our Answer Library. The Answer Library saves your time by offering preloaded lists of common answers, like country, state, or time zone. Plus, you can save your own customized answer sets to use again and again. You'll find the Answer Library while building or editing a question. Click Answer Library here to review. Under System-Defined Answer Lists, choose from Common Answer Sets. Use a list as is or customize to meet your needs. When you're all set, save the answers. Nice! To build your own list, add answer options while building or editing a question. Then, click Answer Library and save answers to Answer Library. Give your list a title and make any other edits you want, and then save and use this list. The next time you open the Answer Library, you'll be able to choose from your customized list or default options. Saving time and streamlining processes. With the Answer Library, you've got all the answers you need.